Welcome viewer, I am Unrecognized. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Defender SmartScreen prevented an unrecognized app from starting. Click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security, click Windows Security. Click App and Browser Control. Click Reputation-Based Protection. Turn off all settings under Reputation-Based Protection. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.